what's up? How have you all been? Now, if you're following me on Instagram, you might have noticed that a while ago I was sharing these Insta stories from the beach side. So I actually went to the sea beach, took a dip in the salty sea water, and while it's a lot of fun, here's the problem with that. It can wreak so much havoc to your hair. It can make your hair so ugly. Especially if you're also like me, who uses a lot of chemical products on the hair, a lot of heating, styling agents. You know that, guys, right? So I do keep using a lot of these things on my hair. On top of that, the beach holiday, sea water, oh my god. So when I actually came back, this is how my hair was looking, guys. This is how my hair was looking. Dry, rough, frizzy, so damaged. And do you see the split ends? It was unbelievable. So when I saw my hair looking like that, I was like, I've got to do something about it. This will not work for me. And clearly, if you haven't noticed it yet, let me just show this to you. This is how my hair is looking today, guys. My hair has recovered completely. It's looking so shiny, so soft, so smooth. I can't stop touching my hair. I'm loving my hair so much. And no split ends. I mean, if you look at my hair right now, it's almost impossible to tell that is how my hair was looking so bad. That is how my hair was looking just a while ago. The transformation has been unbelievable, and believe it or not, is just because of one simple product, that is using the right hair serum. Now, this is a serum which I really want to talk about because I think the serum has been a game changer for my hair care routine, and I am going to be using the serum for a long time now. So this is the BioLarge Smooth Proof, which is a professional deep smoothing 6-in-1 serum. It's a professional hair serum used by experts, recommended by experts, and I can totally see why, because it can do this to your hair. I have already applied the serum today, and this is how my hair is looking. So it doesn't weigh your hair down. It's a very non-sticky, non-greasy formula. If this helps, let me just show this to you here. It's a very nice non-sticky, non-greasy formula. So it doesn't weigh your hair down, and it's actually very simple to use. I'll talk about that in just a little bit. And before that, let me just quickly tell you guys, apart from being this amazing serum which actually does this to your hair, this also smells amazing. So it contains avocado, it contains a bunch, it contains a really nice combination of these amazing super hair foods. It contains avocado. We've talked about avocado for so many times on my channel, right? Avocado is great for strengthening your hair, retaining the shine of your hair, for making your hair nice, nourished, happy. Avocado is one of the best things you can use on your hair. It also contains grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is again absolutely fantastic for frizz taming. It also contains frizz taming polymer. So if you have dry, frizzy, rough hair, which I think is so common these days, right? I think every second person these days has dry, rough, frizzy hair, split ends. It's such a common problem. For some people, these problems just occur because of hard water issues. So maybe where you live, you get a lot of hard water which is doing this to your hair. Pollution, styling damage, heat damage, chemical damage, or just like sometimes that can just happen to your hair because it's a genetic thing. This is actually so easy to use, guys. You just have to take a few drops. Now, of course, if you have shorter hair, you may need to take less. If you have long, thick, dense hair, you might need to take more. For me, about 4 to 5, 6 drops for this hair length and this thickness works really well. So just take a few drops of this product on your palms, spread it across, and divide your hair into 2 sections, and going inwards to outwards from the middle section of your hair to the ends of your hair. Just apply it like this. So it's actually very easy to apply. Apply it on both the sides. Make sure that you don't have to go to the scalp and the roots. Just going from this to this is enough. For a lot of people, when they have a lot of extremely frizzy dry hair and a lot of split ends, especially the split ends, you might want to focus a little extra on the split ends part of it also. Like, I'm loving my hair. I just love touching my hair. And that's it. So you just have to apply it like this. It hardly takes a few seconds. I'll not even say it takes a few minutes. It hardly takes a few seconds, and using this is so simple, guys. So if you want better control, more control of your hair, you can use it on damp hair. If you want to deal with frizziness primarily, you can actually use this on dry hair. So there are so many ways of using this product, and it actually does so many things. Like I just said, right, it's a 6-in-1 formula. It has so many benefits. For instance, it controls frizz, smoothens rough ends, protects hair from humidity, adds instant shine, nourishes dry hair, and also instantly detangles. And this is something which I've actually experienced, like once I'm done applying this product, obviously my hair starts looking silky, shiny, smooth, and all of these amazing things like you can see for yourself. I also find it very easy to detangle my hair. Just run my comb through or hairbrush through my hair, and that's it. Like just one time and I'm completely done. So this is a product which, of course, I like to use on a very regular basis these days, and there are multiple ways of using it. So you can use it before blow dry to protect the hair from heat damage. You can use it after blow dry for smoother and shinier hair. You can also use it for party styling when you just mix a few drops with your styling product for added shine. You can use it after shower to detangle the hair to avoid breakage. And of course, very importantly, you can also use it while traveling to avoid any humidity related damage, or if you just want your hair to look nice while you're traveling. I know for a fact that I'm never traveling ever again without this serum, because I don't want my hair to look like that, you know. That was scary. When I saw my hair looking like that when I came back from my vacation, that was really scary. And like I just said, this product has been a game changer. Now, I love the fact that this product works so well on the hair. It also, by the way, smells absolutely amazing. So, you know, when I use it, I almost feel like I've just come back from the salon with a nice professional treatment done to my hair. It feels really nice. But here's what I would recommend, okay? So whenever you're using a product like this, like the serum, it's a good idea to see if the brand has similar products in the same range. So if you can use all the products together, because I'll give you a reason why. These products are designed by experts. They have something in their mind when they're actually creating this entire range of products. Even when you go to salons, when you see your hair experts, they will use products from the same range usually, because they want to treat your hair in a certain way. So if you want a complete treatment, a very good idea is to go through the entire product range. So here I have with me the Biolarge Smooth Proof Smoothing Shampoo, which is designed to help in dealing with frizzy hair. Again, it's a paraben-free product, guys, and it's really, really nice. We also have from the same range the Biolarge Smooth Proof Smoothing Conditioner, which again is designed for frizzy hair. So, you know, when your hair is extra frizzy, extra dry, extra difficult and all of that, I think this entire range working together is even more magnificent, even more amazing for your hair, and it gives you a very nice professional-like treatment at home. So I think that works really well. Anyways, what I'll do, guys, I'll put all the links in the description box below, and if you want to know the price, I'll just tell you about the prices as well. So the 400 ml shampoo bottle retails for rupees 400. The 196 grams conditioner retails for rupees 335, and the 100 ml serum retails for rupees 300. Now, honestly, guys, if I have to summarize this, I would just say, look at this before after clip. Seriously, I think this clip says it all. The hair has transformed completely, and I really think that hair care should be that easy. Not everyone has time for elaborate, detailed things, and you need something which is practical, something which you can do at home. So shampoo, conditioner, serum, it's actually a very, very simple routine, right? Everyone uses all of these products and all of these steps anyway. So you just have to use the right products which helps in dealing with frizzy hair when you're having frizzy hair. And that's all you have to do, because that's all I did, and the results have been good. So I'm really happy with this, and yeah, I would definitely say that this is worth a try. And yep, that's about it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, guys, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.